Today we're going to do wax melting. We've got some extra wax I found here. Some old candle pieces. Yeah, we're gonna add it. No, we can add it all together. And it doesn't matter. It'll all mix together and it'll all be good. And then this is, here, can you hold this? Videotape. This is a collection of Babybel wax, yeah.
Because they're like covered in wax to keep them fresh.
So, as you can see, it's a nice good bit of wax. And we're gonna all put it in this container.
We haven't ever opened that before.
We've had it for eternity though. And this smells really good. This will add a good smell to it.
Here, maybe we can add some smell-o-vision so you can smell that. Smell it. Sniff.
It smells like cinnamon apple. Good. Okay. Now that that's ready,
Can I just be your cameraman?
yeah. Now let's put some water. Mommy, how much should we put in here? That's good. That's good. Little. You made pour out a tiny bit. Like that. Yeah.
Let's go.
Now we leave the lid off.
Let's go. Let's go.
Boiling. Okay.
No Kit Kat, no Kit Kat, bad Kit Kat.
Okay. So we'll see you when it's boiling.
Yeah.
Put the water back.
Okay, I will. There we go. That's a lot of wax.
Look at this. Look at the wax. It's already starting to melt.
So now I can put it in time
Yeah,
lapse?
now.
This is what we have.
That's what we have left. Hold the camera.
No, hold this.
Oh. Put it back. We need it to get melted. There we go. Turn it off. Put that on.
That's our mold. The nail. Gotta retrieve the nail. There was a nail in our wax. Why would there be a nail in our wax?
Go rinse this off.
Yeah. Whoa, guys, like pure wax. Should I turn it off now?
Turn what on?
This.
Yeah. Now, guys, it's in the freezer. It's gonna stay there till it gets hardened.
See it?
Now it says wax ingot, ONW, because Owen and Winona, August 1st, 2017. And then if you flip it over, we made it into our very own YouTube play button. Then down here it says YouTube. But the fun part is that it's play button. Well, there you have it, guys. Remember to subscribe to. Put that down.
It's a YouTube play button.
Oh,
the play button would be right here.
Yeah. Remember to subscribe to our channel.
Our channels.
Our channel. That's what I meant. Subscribe to my channel, The Awesome Sir Moon, and subscribe to Cat Randomness.
Cat Randomness.
Whichever channel you're watching this on right now, or both. So subscribe. Yeah.
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 Yeah.